This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by turning on regular Wi-Fi because Wi-Fi Direct uses that radio. Make sure airplane mode is off. Once done, go to Settings Connections Wi-Fi and tap Wi-Fi Direct. The phone will immediately start scanning. You should ask the other person to open Wi-Fi Direct on their Samsung now so both devices become visible. This first step makes discovery fast and avoids delays when you move to pairing and sharing. You now select the other device from the Wi-Fi Direct list. Tap its name to initiate a connection. Once you do that, the other user must accept the incoming request and sometimes confirm a short PIN, so make sure you both verify the code on screen. After pairing, use any Apps Share menu, choose Send via Wi-Fi Direct, then pick the paired device. This method moves large files quickly because Wi-Fi Direct creates a direct high-speed link between your phones. When the transfer finishes, you should tap Disconnect or forget to close the session and preserve battery. Keeping pairs saved helps reconnect faster later. Make sure transferred files landed in the target apps folder and confirm integrity before deleting originals. If something goes wrong, try this quick troubleshooting tip. Toggle Wi-Fi off and on, restart the phones, then reopen Wi-Fi Direct. That clears transient radio or discovery issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.